is Blackbird? I need to assassinate him. I need to assassinate Blackbird. Okay. Or whoever's bomb. I don't know. No. I need to find a way. I need to find Black Bomb. Black Guy, or whatever his name is. I need to find Blackbird so I can kill him. Oh man. This is kind of bad. Isn't that money? No. Oh yeah. Over there. Pina plant. Like freaking pina. Pina plant. No. Still. Where is he? I need to find him. I need to find that bird. Okay, so we're going to go inside again.